And then you are ready.
Okay.
Just that back up too.
12 create new products. Hi, I'm Carnell Smith. I am the paternity coach. And there was a time that I used to give away my services, my coaching, consulting. I practically gave it away for free until I had a heart-to-heart conversation with Dr. Fred Jones. And Dr. Fred challenged me. He says, once that I am not going to send you any more clients because you don't understand your worth. You don't understand your value. And after I started becoming coachable and applying what Dr. Fred told me, I had a client pay me $21,000. And all of a sudden now I understand what Dr. Fred was trying to get me to understand. That is, understand your value, your worth, help the client get what the client wants, and then receive the benefits.
Good. If that works for you, we're good.
That's it.
Excellent.